giant rock located at Wei Loi, East Khasi Hills district, at a distance of only about 50 kilometers from Shillong. You can trek up to the top, which is rather an easy trek. Surrounding the rocks are open fields that you can have a picnic with friends and family. Every famous location around Khasi Hills always have a story or a legend about it. This rock also has a story of its own. According to the legend, Kelang Rock, which is a different rock from this one, near Bairang, West Khasi Hills district, was a mischievous god known for his mood swings. He often challenged people, while Semper is more calm and doesn't like Kelang's behavior. Hence, Semper protests his violent and destructive nature. Kelang did not like Semper's interference, so a battle between the two took place. Semper won the battle, and finally Kelang had to flee the area and move to Khatsapra area in West Khasi Hills district, while Semper stayed in the same location in East Khasi Hills.